Hello, welcome back to my office. Let's spend together some betting time. Let's find some predictions to create another winning treble um, with teams that can potentially score over 2 goals in a game. So as you can see, I've got a window open with the CGMBet System software, which is for football. There is lots and lots of variables available. From what I can see, possibly this software could also be used for hockey, basketball and handball. This is not what I'm interested in. Also below I can see that there is updates available. Please click the update button, which is right below. You cannot see the top bar of the software, but the button is right above here. There's export, and then there's update. The one to the right is settings, one there it's exit, and then it's filter, upsets, B tracker, rating M, rating V, rating, statistics, upcoming, V2H, then table is on the right, and home in the top left corner. Okay, let's get on with it. So what am I going to do right now? I click on the fourth one, top right, which is upcoming, right above there. Click on the upcoming. So software is giving me a sound. It's giving me matches for the day, which you cannot see all of them because they're right above. I'll move that recording window a little bit, so maybe I will expand it today. Not too sure how to do it. Perhaps it's the corner, but okay. So for now I will leave the size as it is. Maybe for the next video I'll make it a little bit bigger. And let's see what we can do today with it. So as you can see, it's populating the teams. It's actually I move that window again. I don't know whether it will be visible on the video. So over here I can see day. So I want to click on the 3 days so I can see matches, because I'm not going to use any selections for today because it's getting late. It's 4:25 in the afternoon. And I actually packed one treble using this software last night, shortly after I was recording the last video to be uploaded onto my channel. And it was really easy, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I click on the 3 day, then I go right there, and below this is refresh, which I'm going to click right now. So this should give me a list for the next 3 days. As you can see, the software is giving me sound again, and it's populating. So that's 31st of December, last day of this year. And then there's followed by a first day of next year, 2024, which is 1st of January 2024, as you can see. And if I pull it down, I will see 1st of January. There's quite a lot of selections, which I will narrow in the next few steps. You will see me doing it. It's really easy. And then that all is followed by I see a 3rd of January, a 2nd of January there too, and a 3rd of January. Anyway, let's focus on the next step, which is I'll try to move this window recording again a little bit down this time, so you can see I'll click here on the filters, and then right below here I click on odds. Okay, I'll move that recording video down again a little bit. Okay, and if I'm able to click on the odds, right, the software is not gonna move, so I'll drag this window down a little bit further. So now you can see the lower part of it, of the window, and in the future I'm going to make it bigger so you can see the whole software I'm working with. At the moment I leave it as it is, and so I clicked on the filters, then over there, filters, then I clicked on the odds, and I'm doing over 1.5 goals, obviously. and basically this should have been lowered, but I'm leaving it as it is because in the past I found this wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. So and now I will have to click on the button right there, which is apply, and that's narrowed the selection, and now I have the over 1.5 goals with the odds between 1 and 3. As you know, I'm only interested in odds up to 1.19. And now 31st of December, and that's not what I'm after. From the 1st of January, I'm interested in these matches. So the whole 1st of January, let's see, from here to here, we will look for our next 3 teams, possible selections for our next winning treble, and let's get on with it. So I'll be checking these teams, as you can see here in these tables, looking up any bookie account, any of these selections, any of these teams. So England Championship, they're playing on the 1st of January, yeah, so I suppose they're not going to be celebrating much of a Hog Money night when they have to be ready for playing the matches on the 1st of January. So all the players have to be in top condition, as you would imagine, because they all want to win their next game. I suppose they want to win their next game. Anyway, I'm not really too much interested in football, and whether or not they're winning and whoever is winning, it makes no difference whatsoever to me. So okay, now I'm going to switch the window over. That's my screen pal, and here I've got the sports betting William Hill platform. As you know, I'm using it regularly, so I'll drag that window up a bit now, just so you can see that search window, and I'm going to click on the search. Now back to the software and start checking them teams one by one, and by the date I need to do it. So this is the 1st of January, Sydney MacArthur, so that's Australian, and I'll try it. I'll see if it's going to do anything for me. I'll type in Sydney in my search window, click on the search. Something should happen there, but it's not happening. I don't really understand why. So click on the search again, and there it is, Sydney, SYDN. Let's see if anything comes up. I think that might be the one. I'll quickly check it again. Sydney versus MacArthur FC, that's the one. Okay, so I did click on the selection, it's loading, and that's the match I'm looking for. Now let's get the odds checked for over 1.5 goals. That's the only strategy I'm playing. As you know, over 0.5 is quite low at 102, so perhaps 101 over 1.5 will be low. Within you know, my up to 1.19. So I'm adding it to the bet slip. So that's the first match added, first team added to the bet slip. Now we need the other 2 selections to create my other treble. And from what I can see on the very top of the screen, above the top right corner, is the balance of my account, which I think has gone up after I have selected the 3 teams last night, shortly after I finished recording last video for you. And actually it did the job. So I think I had a winning treble, which I'm quite happy with. Let's carry on. The time goes on. Now it's 9 minutes and 5 seconds in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you can give this video a like and maybe share it with people you think it might be of interest to them, and maybe subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for doing that. Preston versus Sunderland. This is a championship, England championship. Let's look this team up quickly. I might be able to create a treble for you today and upload it right away to the YouTube right after I finish recording, hopefully, so you will have a fresh data, and perhaps you can consider yourself you know, checking whether these teams are available on your preferable booking platform on a bookie called Bookie. Bookie is the short word for the booking exchange or sports booking exchange or sports booking platform. Preston Sunderland. Let's quickly work with it. Hopefully I'll have the right odds on the next few matches I'm looking up. Preston Sunderland, that's the one. Quickly get the odds checked. This is now loading. And let's see what we've got. Okay, so I need to scroll down, go to this one, over 1.5 goals, and expand. And 128. Next one, please. Banbury, Brackley Town, Banbury, English teams. And that's alright, because English teams are okay, they suit me. Banbury, B-A-N-B, Brackley Banbury, that's the one. Let's see, it's loading now, it's loading, let's see what comes up. And over 1.5 at 1.3, absolutely too high odds for me. Slow versus Hampton Richmond, slow. Now, so obviously these teams are not scoring very many goals. Slow, S-L-O-U, Hampton Richmond slow. Is that the one I'm looking for? That's the one, yes. Click on it quickly. Let's get on. 11 minutes and 39 seconds. Will I manage to pick 3 teams to show you my next treble? 120, just slightly too high. It will have to be 1.19 for my likings. Blackburn versus Rotterdam. But now you can get, at least get an idea of how I'm working with this newly purchased software. Probably I bought it about a month ago. I think I paid for it about 50 euros, which was on a sale at that time. Probably that was the Black Friday sale, I think it was. And so I'm quite happy with what I have paid for it. And it's a lifetime license as well, Blackburn. And it's a VIP license, so right there in the top right corner, on the very top right corner of the software, it's a VIP gold package I have bought, gold package. I will include the link to this software in the video description, so if you want to check it out, you can download it for free, play with it to see whether it's meeting your expectations or not, and possibly in the future you can buy a VIP license or a gold license or whichever one you want to go for. They've got few levels. Blackburn, Rotterdam, and I think for me perhaps Blackburn. A basic version of it will be Blackburn, Rotterdam, Blackburn. This is not coming up. There it is. Perhaps a lower level of this software will be sufficient for me, for my needs, but as there was that Black Friday sale, I decided to go for the top level. Quickly, 1.15, there it is. 13 minutes 25 seconds. I only need one more match. Millwall, Bristol City, to add to my treble, and the treble will be ready. In case I'll run out of time, I'll obviously, add another match after I finish recording, and then I'll create my treble, and I'll report back to you possibly tomorrow, on the 1st of January. Millwall, Bristol City. How did I go? Bristol City, that should come up now. Bristol City, Millwall, that's the one. Quickly, and I might have my third match. Loading. 1.36. Nope. Next one, please. Birmingham, Leeds. Leeds is a shorter team name. 14 minutes 15 seconds. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope you come back for more of this kind of a content, and I won't be able to pick my third team, I'm afraid, once I'm recording this video. It seems to be always 15 minutes. It's not long enough for me to do it for you in the front of your eyes. Leeds, Birmingham. That's the one I haven't looked up yet. That's nearly video's nearly finished now. Let's see if this will be done in the next few seconds. Leeds, Birmingham, that's the one. And loading. 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. And I've got my third one. So there it is. My